welcome you aboard motor vessel Adventure Hornblower. My name is Jose Greganis. I'm your captain on board. And one of the things I always have to do before we get into this, give you guys a quick safety brief. Now, you're on board a U.S. Coast Guard certified and passenger inspected vessel. What that means to you is that the U.S. Coast Guard has come on board, done all the proper safety checks that enable us to take passengers throughout the day. We do have life-saving gear on board the vessel. That includes the life jackets, man overboard gear, and firefighting equipment. I ask that you not tamper with any of that gear. It's for your safety and not self-defense. Adult life jackets for anyone over 90 pounds in weight. Children life jackets anyone under 90 pounds in weight. And those are in designated life jacket lockers on the main deck and the middle deck and the bottom deck. In the event of any emergency out here, the uniformed crew members will come around and show you exactly what to do. You also hear an announcement by me over the sound system. Please remember that you are not stuck in your seats. You can get up, you can walk around, you can go to the other decks. Just be kind of cautious on the outer decks and going up the stairs. Use those handrails, please. We do have an abrasive surface on the outer decks. It's very similar to the U.S. Navy warships that I served on. It's known as non-skid. And if you fall on it, it really becomes non-skid. So just really, all the kids, be cautious, be careful out there. Don't run in or stand in chairs, tables, or benches. Restrooms are called heads, and I pointed those out to most of you. We have some on the main deck, that's the bottom deck, and then more on the middle deck as well. And that's going to be on the starboard.